Welcome. If you're using Telegram on your PC and want a faster way to send messages without clicking the send button every time, you're going to love this quick setting update. By default, Telegram lets you send messages by pressing enter, but sometimes that can get annoying, especially when you're trying to write longer messages and accidentally send them too early. The good news is, you can change this behavior and make Telegram send messages only when you press Ctrl+Enter instead. Let's walk through how to set that up step by step. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your main configuration options. Now, inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and click on it. This is where Telegram allows you to customize how your messages behave. Scroll a little until you find the option that says Send with Ctrl+Enter. Once you see it, simply enable it. And that's it. From now on, pressing Enter will create a new line in your message instead of sending